And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
For many of us, it's been snowing since Tuesday night, and we've got one more day of snow, and then by Saturday morning, this storm is going to move out. So what I'm concerned about now as we head through Friday afternoon is power outages and broken tree limbs, because we've had multiple days of heavy wet snow, and that continues tomorrow, so it's really starting to stack up. Hazardous travel, of course, remains top concern. We'll have snowy roads tomorrow and low visibility. Our winter alerts are in place through Saturday at 5 a.m. So let's look at our storm system. You can see this circular motion here, our area of low pressure centered over Arizona and New Mexico. It hasn't moved much. Yesterday it was over the Four Corners, so really just today it dove south, and now what it's going to do tonight is move over Albuquerque. That classic Albuquerque low for Colorado allows us to get a ton of snowfall, and it will move out of Colorado by Saturday morning. Once this area of low pressure moves over southeastern Colorado, it's also going to help to bring us some strong wind. So I'm concerned about the wind really starting to pick up tomorrow as well. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in a moment. But let's get to our alerts. So we have our winter storm warnings in place now through Saturday at 5 a.m. Winter storm warnings are in pink, winter weather advisories in purple. So now that the sun is down and as the snow continues tonight, I'll be concerned about icy spots and snow-covered roads, but crews did a great job with a little bit of daylight today and plenty of time to get these roads clear, at least our major roads and highways. But it's still actively snowing and temperatures are falling. In Pueblo, looks like we just have a wet sidewalk at the Riverwalk, but it will become icy overnight. Looks like the road has been cleared off nicely in downtown La Junta, but that will likely change by tomorrow morning. So be mindful that there is going to be slick spots across the region. We're still seeing active snowfall between Lyman, Colorado Springs, and Canyon City. Also seeing that snow continue from Rye through Walsenburg and Trinidad. We'll see hit or miss snow showers overnight, but I am tracking some heavier snowfall coming in by tomorrow morning. So off and on snow showers tonight. Friday by 9 a.m. we're going to see heavy snow across the entire region. So this is where we'll continue to see that snow pile up throughout the afternoon on Friday, here 6 o'clock in the evening. Plus we've got that tricky rain snow line between Springfield and Lamar. And we will finally start to see this storm move out on Saturday. Here Saturday 9 a.m. seeing some sunshine peeking through. That's great news to see after multiple days of snowfall and cold temperatures. Let's talk about the wind. So far, it hasn't been very strong with this storm, but it is going to pick up on Friday. We'll see gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour. So heavy snow rates plus blowing snow is going to greatly reduce visibility on the road. So that's an added factor to the hazardous travel for tomorrow. Plus, we could see some snow drifts form on roadways. So in terms of additional snow accumulation, yeah, we're still going to get quite a lot. Now we could end up on the lower end of these ranges because of compression and the fact that this snow is just piling on top of what's already fallen. So I've got another 5 to 9 from tonight through Saturday morning in Colorado Springs, another 4 to 8 in Pueblo, 4 to 7 Canyon City. Our mountain valleys and foothills are going to see quite a lot. Another foot or two possible between Walsenburg, Trinidad, and La Veta. So in Colorado Springs, we are going to see the sky clear out Saturday, 42 for the high that day, 51 on Sunday. So we are going to thaw out after tomorrow. Pueblo, snowy tomorrow in the 30s. We'll rise to the 40s over the weekend, 40s or low 50s for next week. Canyon City, we're going to see snow showers continue tomorrow. Then we thaw out over the weekend, 50s return by Sunday. And for Woodland Park, snow showers continue tomorrow. We're going to see maybe a few flurries on Saturday morning before clearing out for the rest of the weekend. Welcome back. I want to start with a couple of photos from our wonderful viewers. I have a whole gallery up on our website, KOAA.com right now, with some more photos, and what a storm it's been so far. If you wake up tomorrow and you have a snow day and you go out sledding or you do something fun with the family, we would love to see what you're up to. Send those weather photos to our email, weather@KOAA.com. So we are still weather alert through Saturday morning. Now, what I'm concerned about as we head into the late end of this storm is this snow is really starting to pile up. So power outages, broken branches are a likelihood as we continue to get snow tomorrow. Hazardous travel has been top of mind throughout this entire storm, and that's the case for tomorrow as well. Snowy roads, low visibility. So we do have winter alerts still in place through Saturday at 5 a.m. And our storm right now is starting to finally move towards Albuquerque. Between yesterday and today, it moved from the Four Corners almost due south. Now it's going to take a turn towards the east and go up through Colorado. As it does so, it will give us one last burst of heavy snow tomorrow from the morning through the afternoon, and then we'll start to see the dry air come in behind it, and finally we'll let go of this storm by Saturday. So winter storm warnings are in place through Saturday at 5 a.m. in pink. Winter weather advisories are in purple, especially here for the eastern plains. It's been more of a mix of rain, maybe a little bit of slushy snow coming in there, but we're likely to see at least some decent snowfall for the far eastern plains tomorrow. La Junta tonight looks like downtown we did get a nice clear path, but it's going to ice up again here overnight as we cool off. We've got some freezing fog in Pueblo tonight. The roads are kind of a mixed bag in the neighborhood here. Some spots did melt today, but they're refreezing tonight. It's 27 degrees in Colorado Springs right now. Downtown did clear up nicely on the roads today, but it's refreezing tonight, and just plan for more icy road conditions tomorrow. Looks like snow has covered the road in Monument Hill at I-25 tonight again. So we're in a bit of a break from the snow, but we're going to see another surge coming in tomorrow morning, and you'll see that with the darker blue color here. 5 a.m. the snow is starting to move in from the south. It will continue to expand across our region through the morning. Here's 9 a.m. We'll see periodic snow showers all day on Friday. At times it will be heavy, and we'll get that nice upslope flow around this area of low pressure, and that means a lot more snow is still to come. And then by Saturday morning, here's 9 a.m. we're finally seeing this storm move out, and we'll see some sunshine coming in. Something I am a little bit more concerned about tomorrow that's a little different than the past few days is the wind is going to pick up. So we'll see wind gusts from 20 to 40 miles per hour tomorrow. That's enough to blow around the snow. So the heavy snow plus the wind is going to lead to very low visibility. So blizzard-like conditions are expected tomorrow, and that's something we haven't really had so far. So keep that in mind. That will make travel even worse. So I've updated this snow outlook to cover from now through Saturday at 5 a.m. So we're in for a few more inches across the region. Maybe another 6 inches or so for Colorado Springs, give or take a few inches. Monument to Black Forest, another 9 to 14. Woodland Park, another 8 to 12. And from Pueblo through Canyon City, another 3 to 6 inches is likely. And the wet mountains, you're going to get probably another foot out of this storm. Another foot, maybe up to 2 for Trinidad to Walsenburg and La Veta. This is the areas I'm most concerned about, those power outages. So make sure that you're keeping your home insulated and you have enough food and water to last for a couple days. Tonight's going to get cold, teens and 20s. Tomorrow we're going to stay in the 30s, but once we head into the weekend, we're going to clear out and warm up. 40s on Saturday, low 50s on Sunday. We'll stay in the 50s for a few days next week. So we'll see the big meltdown happen this weekend. In Pueblo, we've got snow showers, cold air tomorrow. We're clearing out over the weekend, rising into the 40s. A couple days in the low 50s possible next week. Canyon City clearing out on Saturday. Then you'll see the sunshine help to melt the snow through the weekend. And finally, for Woodland Park, snow showers for tomorrow continue. They move out by Saturday morning. Then the thaw begins over the weekend.